What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Americantechie channel. Have you ever seen pop-ups like these in your browser and wondered, is my phone being hacked by someone? Well, this nearly happens. You have to be careful in this kind of situation, right? Especially when your calendar is overwhelmed by spam events. Keep receiving unexpected Apple ID verification requests, the screen touching itself like a ghost, green or orange dot showing on status bar, incoming calls from unknown callers, screen goes black but still working. It's really hard not to freak out seeing weird stuff like this. But well, no worries. If you follow these simple steps, you'll be fine. First, restart your iPhone. This will stop any ongoing activities on your device. If you get a pop-up saying your iPhone is hacked and suggesting you install some security tool, just ignore it. It's a scam trying to steal your information or money. Just clear your browser's website data. If you are worried about suspicious Apple ID verification requests, remove any unknown devices from your account. If that doesn't help, update your Apple ID password and make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled. If you have accidentally subscribed to some phishing sites, they might be sending spam to your calendar. Unsubscribe from these calendars to get rid of the spam. Be careful with location sharing. If you don't trust someone, stop sharing your location with them. Turn off location sharing for everyone if you are unsure. Using public Wi-Fi can compromise your privacy. Use cellular data if you can't access a private Wi-Fi network, and avoid using VPN services as they can see your traffic. If you see a green dot on your status bar, it means an app is using your camera. Go to privacy settings and turn off camera access for any untrusted apps. If you see an orange dot, check your microphone privacy settings. Review which apps have access to your contacts, calendars, files, and folders. If something feels off, use the safety check features in your privacy and security settings. If you suspect someone is hacking your phone, an emergency reset will cut off access for everyone and all apps. Usually, managing your sharing settings and access will be enough. Stop sharing your location with specific people. Revoke access for suspicious apps and remove untrusted devices from your account. Update your Apple ID password, emergency contacts, device passcode, and Face ID. If you think you are being targeted by a serious cyber attack, consider using lockdown mode for extra security. Lockdown mode is extreme but very secure. Hopefully you won't need it. The default iPhone settings are very secure. So if things goes wrong, reverting to these settings is a good idea. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. For more tips, subscribe to this American Techie channel. Bye-bye.